Tell him come here. Move, Loki. Come on, say come here, James.
Oh. That's okay. It's okay to keep talking to him. He's trying to come to you. Holly.
Baby, can't come.
Look at him, Jason. He's moving.
He's trying to get.
I want to come here, Mom.
No. Let him crawl, baby.
Let him
That's
crawl.
important.
Let him crawl. Let him crawl. No, Jason, let him crawl.
Let him crawl, honey. Oh, you wanted him on your blanket?
Yeah.
Okay, stop now.
You're making him mad. Let him
Go
crawl.
on the other side of him so he can see you.
No, in front of him.
Baby, up at the end.
In front of him, baby, so he'll come to you. Back up.
Back up. He can't come to you there.
Back up, Jason. Damn.
Isn't that something? Look at him, Beck.